Discovering the joy of cooking, an English learning adventure. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our journey into the English language. Today, we're diving into a simple yet intriguing question. Do you like to cook? This phrase is not only about food but also opens the door to sharing personal preferences and experiences. Let's explore its meaning, use, and how it can lead to engaging conversations in English. Whether you're a culinary expert or someone who prefers to stay out of the kitchen, this lesson is for you. Do you like to cook? Is a question that inquires about a person's interest or enjoyment in cooking. At its core, it's about preferences. When we break it down, do you is a common way to start questions that ask about someone's habits or preferences. Like is a verb expressing enjoyment or preference. To cook refers to the action of preparing food by combining, mixing, and heating ingredients. So, when you're asked this question, the person wants to know if cooking is something that brings you joy or satisfaction. How you respond can vary greatly depending on your feelings towards cooking. Here are a few examples. If you enjoy cooking, you might say, "Yes, I love to cook." It's a great way to relax and be creative. If cooking isn't your thing, you could respond, "Not really. I prefer eating out or ordering in." And if you're somewhere in between, a response could be, "I don't mind cooking, but I'm not great at it." Remember, your response is an opportunity to share a bit about yourself and can lead to more detailed conversations about food, recipes, and cultural culinary traditions. After answering the question, you can keep the conversation going by asking the person their views on cooking or discussing related topics. Here are a few ways to expand the dialogue. Ask for recipes or cooking tips. Do you have any simple recipes to recommend? Share your culinary challenges or successes. I recently tried baking a cake for the first time, and it turned out great. Discuss favorite cuisines or dishes. I love Italian food. What's your favorite cuisine? This not only practices your English speaking skills but also deepens your understanding of different cultures and personal preferences. I hope this exploration of the question, "Do you like to cook?" has been insightful and fun. Understanding and using such phrases in English can open up new avenues for conversation, learning, and sharing. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about connecting with others and sharing experiences. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.